Alright, we are filling this up with water, and we had a little blowout here, down there, but we are doing good. He's filling it up. Should I just check this? Oh, shit. Yeah, so there you go. It's filled up with water. Are we still there? Yeah. Got my GoPro all wet. Hopefully we're still capturing video here. What happened there? It blew out again? It blew out again? Alright, no worries. We're blowing out this cap here because there's a lot of water pressure.
You put it back tight. Let me fill it back up.
Yeah.